High-level platform, efficient construction. 12 by 9.5 meters working platform. Over 20 workers work together more efficiently. Wingspan telescopic design. Triangular structure, stronger and more stable. Smart 3-mode remote control, simple and safe. Digital adjustment with visual monitoring. Flexible boom adjustment operation plus or minus 90 rotation expands working applications. 3-ton working platform, 8-ton lifting capacity. Heavy-duty load with 360 safety railings. All-terrain crawler movement. Handles all kinds of challenging terrain. 25-meter lifting range. Covers 90% of steel structure applications. 9-meter, 5-ton truck crane. Supports pipeline installation and tool handling. Premium hydraulic system and high-strength frame. Quality craftsmanship, durable and reliable. Professional industrial coatings. Thick coatings resists moisture and corrosion. Municipal projects, roof and curtain wall installations. Building facades and facilities maintenance. Narrow bridges, pipelines and cable installations. Landmark buildings. And prefabricated steel structures. Environmental projects and solar roof renovation.